What is up, Mitch?
Hey.
How are we? What the hell do we have? What do we have here? What?
It's a package.
Is it a package?
Yeah.
I wonder what's in this freaking package.
I can't imagine. Did you see who it's from?
I don't know. Who's it from?
Read here.
Let's see here.
Oh, look, there's the shipper.
Oh, it's from Golen Engines.
Oh, shit.
What's up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? So, as you can see, we have a package from our buddies at Golen Engines. We can only imagine what it's going to be. So, what do you think, man? You want to open this freaking thing? You've been wanting to open this thing up for an hour now. Oh, snap. Bum, bum, bum.
Oh, shit.
Oh, hey, look, there's a hat for you, buddy.
Yay.
Look at that. That's a big... This is some nice packaging. What a big box for an engine. You know? Look at this.
I need more tools.
You need more tools?
Look at that hat.
There's your hat. Now you have a hat.
Boom.
I already have a Golen hat, so...
Golen.
Check this out. So obviously you guys can tell this is my 370 cubic inch built Golen engine for the Red Rocket, which is sitting outside right now. This is the last piece we were waiting on, and it is finally here. We are extremely excited. Our guys over there at Golen Engines they've really helped us out here in our crunch time. Put the hat right there. But we're going to unpack this thing. We're going to get it on the engine stand. And we're going to take a nice detailed look at everything that's going on with this engine and give you some information on it as well. Looks like Golen sent us a t-shirt too.
Hidden underneath.
Hidden underneath? T-shirt. Let me see the back there, boss. Look at that. Hell yeah.
Played, man. Good guy.
That's awesome. Let's take this baggie off of this thing. What do you want to do? Do you want to pull the sides off first? Or do you just want to put bolts in this thing and anchor this sucker out of here?
Well, we can unknock the front off of it, and then we can.
Yeah, I guess we could.
I just want to man this thing.
There you go, man it, man it up. Woo! All right, we got the side off. Look at this shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm like a kid in a candy store right now. Not even gonna lie. Look at that! They spray painted the freaking engine for me as well. Oh my!
It's like new money.
It's like new money.
Yes.
All right, man, that thing. I'll tell you what, this engine did not look like this when I gave it to him.
Nowhere close.
Nowhere close. This thing was disgusting when I gave it to him. Oh shit. Oh shit. We're gonna put the
It's about to get real.
yeah, we're gonna put that on. Now we can get it up on the thing here. 6.0. It is not a 6.0 anymore. It is a 370 cubic inch
Kinda.
engine at this point in time. We're gonna lift this up and stick it in this hole. I need you to hold it with your foot so don't move. Ready? Hold on. I pick it up underneath. Okay. Ready? Yep. Oh shit. Good?
Okay. Don't drop your engine.
Hold on, Mitch. Don't put that in yet. All right, guys. Holy smokes. Holy smokes.
She's a beast.
There's the box. They even have their own little bags, don't they?
Yeah.
Look at that. Engine Pro.
Boom.
All right, let's take a look and see what we got here. So we got fully forged pistons. Whew. You want to grab the stick and turn her upside down?
Grab a stick.
Got no new freeze plugs in here. Where it needs to be. I'm ready, boss. I'm freaking ready.
I mean, not send it.
Just send it. Just freaking send it. Oh boy. Look at that.
Look at all that goodness.
ARP main studs, ARP rod bolts. And if I remember correctly, these should be Cali's Comster rods and Wiseco pistons. Wow, look at that. I love how they painted everything. Like, that's just nice. Got all the freeze plugs back in. That freeze plugs back in. There's my sensor for my crank.
Yeah.
Crank a pickup sensor. Look at that. Look at the lubrication. There's a lubrication on that thing. That is cool. Comstar. I've got the flashlight down there and there's a little dark. Oh my, and these are H-beam rods too. These are Comstar H-beam rods as well. And it is a stock 6.0 crank. It's a brand new stock 6.0 crank. I didn't send the crank along. They ended up having a crank in stock and stuff. So look at that. Wow. That is a crazy, that's gonna be it. We're gonna rotate it over and lock it down, and then we're gonna rotate the motor by hand, let you guys see that. You wanna get a crank bolt, Mitch? And we're gonna rotate this motor over a few times. You got oil in the cylinders, really nice. Wow, I'm so happy that this engine is back. I cannot wait to start on the Red Rocket build. This is it. This is what we were waiting on the entire time for the last couple weeks. We were waiting on the motor. That was the last piece of the puzzle, and we finally have it. So I'm excited. Mitch is probably extremely excited because we got everything else ready to go. As you guys know, Huron Speed, those guys sponsored me on the gigantic 80mm turbo setup. We'll cover that back up again. Pretty little girl. Along with a whole bunch of other sponsors, like Lunati has sponsored me on the cam, so I got that taken care of. I've got lifters and head gaskets. I've pretty much got everything I need for this engine build now, including the engine, which is going to be awesome. Are you ready? Mitch is way too excited. Is it nice and smooth, Mitch? Ooh.
Yeah. Is it
smooth? Ooh. Ooh, that's so smooth. So smooth. People on here are probably going to be like, you are an idiot, dude. It's just an engine.
It's not just an engine.
It's the best engine.
This is about to kick everybody's ass engine.
Oh, he said it, guys. And see how great of a mechanic Mitch is? Got #1 cylinder already at top dead center right here for me. Ready to rock and roll, man. We do have an Acura on the lift. It's getting an AC condenser. It blew up. But there you go, guys. This is not going to be a very long video. Very sweet, very simple video of this engine. But I really want to thank Golen Engines for hooking me up, man. These guys are amazing. If you have any questions or you need an engine built by these guys, please do me a favor, go check them out. They will be in the first link in the description of this video. They're also always in the bottom of my description in the underneath the sponsors list. And these guys not only build LS motors, but they pretty much build anything. One of the things that I noticed that they were proud of when I was up at their shop and I made the video about, you know, dropping off this 6.0 to them, was they do a lot of Jeep 4.0 to 4.6 stroker motors. So if you guys out there have any Jeep Wranglers, Jeep Cherokees with a 4.0 and you want them to build your engine for your Jeep, please go hit these guys up. They've been doing it for a long time and they know what they're doing. And obviously they know what they're doing when it comes to LS stuff as well. They have a lot of cool stuff on their Instagram. Go check them out there too. But yeah, there's a fly by my face trying to kill me. I almost died. A fly tried to kill me, you know. But man, this is awesome, guys. This is awesome. Now the Red Rocket build is going to be done. It's going to get done. And it's going to get done in expedient freaking time, guys. Don't mind my eyes. They're watering a lot. I have no idea what's going on. I've been crying like a little baby. Maybe it's because I'm so happy that my engine's here. I don't know. But regardless of that, come June 23rd, guys. June 23rd is my due date. I have to have this car running for the YouTube call out June 23rd in North Carolina, which I will be attending, and I will be laying the smack down. It'll be a fun time. So I have until today, which is the 8th, I think, which is video, this video might go up today, it might go up tomorrow night, I'm not really sure yet, the 8th or the 9th, but basically, you know, I've got not that many days to get this motor put together, get it in the car, then I have to break the motor in with the turbo system assembled and all that stuff, which I really shouldn't do, but I'm not going to be bringing it into boost or anything, so I'm not too very concerned about it. I'm just going to be idling and cruising around town, try to put a couple 100 miles on it. Then it's got to go to the dyno, and I got to dyno tune the car, make sure we have enough of fuel system, make sure the training's going to work fine, make sure everything else is good to go as well. And then last but not least, I got to try to sneak it down to a test and tune one of these days down in Cecil or Maple Grove or somewhere to make sure this thing's going to run good and not have any issues on the track. It's going to hook up and I can get used to the power that it's going to be making. So it's going to be a lot of work in the next not that many days, guys, not that many days. So it's going to be a ton of work. I guarantee you this this engine is going to be done. This engine is going to be done, going to be in the car. It's going to be freaking crazy, guys. So look forward to the future videos. I'll try to get as many out as possible, because we are going to be working very, very fast here. We have a few other surprises going on. Not only are we going to have this car down, but we might have some other special guest cars down. Not that one won't be down, but maybe some other cars might be coming down to the track to race that day as well. That'll be a surprise for a later date. But there you go, guys. The motor is like I said, man, I know I keep repeating myself over and over and over again that the motor's ready, but here it is, guys. You can actually see it. The motor is ready. If you guys enjoyed this short little upload, please do me a favor, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing. Deuces, guys.